Welcome to Ethix Water Conditioner Quick and Easy Installation Guide. Today, I want to show you how to install a Delta Series Ethix water conditioner unit. Before you start, you need to ensure that you have all the parts and tools needed for the installation. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Attach the union to the CPVC pipe. Step 2. Attach the union and CPVC pipe to the frequency part. Step 3. Connect the inlet cylinder to the frequency part. Step 4. Connect the outlet cylinder to the frequency part. Step 5. Connect the union to the inlet cylinder and outlet cylinder. Step 6. Place the panel box in the frequency section. Step 7. Frequency cable connect to the panel box. Step 8. Outlet cylinder cable connect to the panel box. Step 9. Connect the main power supply cable. Step 10. Open the oil cap outlet cylinder and add transformer oil according to IS 335. Congratulations! Your Ethix water conditioner is now fully installed. To prevent damage, make sure your machine is well protected from sun, rain, and dust. Use a sturdy cover or install it in a sheltered area for long-lasting performance.